Okay, YouTube, so Paul Bates here, and today what I'm going to do, I've been waiting a long time to do this, but we've got all the software figured out, we've got all the programming figured out, so I brought the laptop over. I'm going to use the Chirp software, and then I'm going to sync this radio. So then after I do this, this radio would be completely synced with all my other radios. So it doesn't matter whether I'm in the motorhome, whether I'm on one of my little handhelds, all the radios are synced. So I use the cable that I bought from RT Systems. This is my laptop right here. And all I do is I have to plug, this is the data port right here. On the radio, you have this little, it looks like a 3.5 millimeter jack. That's your data point right here. All you do is plug that in, upload your software, or find the software you want to put in here. And then all I have to do right here is hit radio. Now, we did all the homework. If you watched the previous video, we've done all the homework getting all this ready to do. And a couple key things that you have to do too. The radio has to be on. You have to have power on the radio, otherwise it won't work. So I either have to pull the radio out of here and hook it up to a transformer, or just have it in the car. And to do that in the car here, I need a laptop. So, and I have everything on this laptop. So then right here, I just hit download to radio. Boom. 5 minutes later, we're on. And it's as easy as that. Once you have it all set up, it's super, super easy. So anytime I want any channels I want to change, anytime I want to change channels, I can just buzz in here and change the frequencies. Especially if I'm going to an area where I know it's at and I can put the repeaters in here, I'll do it. So now what I want to do real quick, I'm going to pull this plug out of my data port. Now I put the waterproof plugs in all of my radios. So see this little plug right here, it goes into the data port right here. And I have another one right here, and then there's one on the back of the radio. I got to turn on the 660 plus. Now if I didn't have the 660 plus, I would just hook the mic into here. Okay, so I can hear myself talking. So now I am going to try and talk to somebody. And we're going to talk on a repeater now to see if we're working. I've been waiting a long time. That'll prove to you that these are little shortwave radios. Okay. KJ7 JTC. Looking for a radio check. Does anybody got a copy on this? Okay, so one thing I know right now for sure is I'm hitting the repeater, because I heard the repeater come back and it talked to me in CW, which is Morse code. So I know that I'm good. I know that I'm hitting the repeater. Now it's whether somebody's listening to the channel or not. So I can switch to another channel. Nobody hears us there.
I got a little pretty KD7AJW, K7HGX here.
This is KJ7 JTC. Hey, what's your location?
At the VA rehab home in Ivans.
And what repeater are you talking off of?
Again?
What repeater are you talking off of?
You saw an L4
Okay, that's clear. All right, this is KJ7 JTC, and we are clear and on the side.
Thanks, buddy. Have a great day. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. K7HGX number 3.
Okay, as simple as that. I'm talking on the repeater, so I've got the radio working. I've got it doing exactly what I want it to do, and that's just awesome. I've been waiting a long time to do that, but getting these cables in, getting the software all in, which I could have used Chirp anytime I wanted to, but I didn't have this cable, and this is the key right here. And getting a good cable that communicate with the radio, that's key to programming these radios. Anyway, YouTube, Paul Bates, another radio tip. This is with the RM60 rugged radio, and you can also run the TH9000. They're both programmable using this cable and software that we use today. Anyway, thank you. Peace out. Hope to see you guys out on the trail soon. Thank you. Bye.